Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.
Hi, this is the unboxing of RIENOK Bluetooth speaker. The RIENOK Bluetooth speaker is a wireless portable waterproof speaker with a battery that can last up to 10 hours playtime. It supports Bluetooth 5.3 and can have an SD card up to 128 gigabytes with music stored in it. These speakers are suitable for home, garden, party, camping and travel as it is quite small and light. I has a pair of 215W portable Bluetooth speakers for an immersive surround sound experience. With a built-in 2500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, the wireless Bluetooth speaker provides 7 to 10 hours of playtime per charge, but it varies with volume, lighting, and music type. The Bluetooth 5.3 provides a stable connection, easily pair with phones, MP3, and laptops. It supports SD card up to 128 gigabytes, and it has an aux port. It also features a built-in microphone for hands-free calls, and a loop for hanging on a bike or in the shower as it is waterproof. It is IPX5 waterproof portable speaker which makes it rainproof, dustproof, snowproof and splashproof. You may choose to have the multicolor lights on to inject more vitality into music. The Bluetooth speaker will change the light color and rhythm to adapt to a variety of music. You can buy a second one and connect it to play together for more rich sound experience. Customers praise the speaker's sound quality, describing it as brilliant and very loud, with one mentioning it works well outdoors. The design receives positive feedback, and customers find it to be great value for money. They appreciate the battery life, with one customer noting its solid 10-hour playtime, and find it easy to set up, with one mentioning it takes just 2 minutes to configure. I liked the design mostly. I have one of the round speakers, of a different brand, and it is really annoying because it just rolls away on uneven surfaces. This speaker has a pleasant rounded triangle shape, and as such has a bottom, so it does not roll away. The speaker is reasonably good quality, and is loud enough for outdoor usage. I use it with my computer, iPhone, iPad, and even have copied a bunch of MP3s in the SD card, so it can play by itself. It is perfect for that. I think the buttons could be highlighted with a different color to make them a bit more visible. Unlike other speakers, the lights are not just at the ends, they also go across the front. I like the lights myself. Moreover, I had no trouble at all connecting with Bluetooth, unlike other speakers that I have that sometimes just refuse to connect to my iPhone. Well worth the money as it is very affordable and of good quality. Love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product-related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.